Hi girls, it's Jenny with Planner Perfect, and in today's video, the November Planner Perfect Planner and Journal subscription box reveal. Stay tuned. To the November Planner and Journal subscription box reveal. And for this box, not all of it will be revealed, just the washi and the planner and the journal. So the rest will be a surprise, but I think this is a good sneak peek. So listen, I am offering this up and showing it to you just in time because you have until the 10th of October to be able to get in on this box. Also, you're probably not going to want to miss the December box anyways. But let's just dive right in. Now, in this, I don't have the protective covering on these for ease, but when these books do come, they come with a beautiful canvas drawstring bag to keep them nice and safe. Let me go ahead and share these with you. Very gorgeous. We've got this cute print for our November Thanksgiving. And I love black gingham. And then this is all of my artwork, just a lot of my fall work on this. It's absolutely stunning and it looks amazing on the page. So this is already out of its wrapper and I've been using it. It's gorgeous. So that is November's washi. You get 3 of them. So when I was choosing this, what to paint, I wanted something to be that I haven't done before in a way, and something that just felt like November. And this is what I painted. What do you girls think? I think that it turned out beautiful and appropriate for fall. I wrote gather here so that it was because we're gathering together and having Thanksgiving. I have other hydrangea art that is blue, but I wanted to do something that was relevant for fall, and I have hydrangeas in my backyard. So I pulled one and mine was actually white with like the petals were pink. But then I also had some green ones that were that had the pink petals as well. And so I wanted to do the ones that were green with the pink. And I just absolutely love it because I just thought it represented more perfectly for fall, for November. And then the blue pumpkins, I don't have a lot of blue pumpkins out, so I wanted to make sure that I painted those guys inside of there with some berries and their leaves and a beautiful vase with the blue pumpkin. So this is actually your journal. So here is the back, and I kind of just want to have you get a good look-see at the artwork and its detail. But again, I think it turned out really good. Of course, our books are very high quality and they take the artwork perfectly. We chose high quality paper to be able to carry the art the way we want it to. So it's also got that feel of like it's on artwork, cotton, beautiful paper. So I hope that you enjoy journaling in this all November long. And then November, I'm really into mushrooms right now. They're gorgeous. I love the idea of this wreath. I used a typeset font for this, like an American typewriter. I thought that was perfect. And the back is this beautiful mushroom design that I absolutely love. Look at how it just stands out. It's just so beautiful and so perfect. This will be featured on some planners as well on the front as well. But look at how gorgeous this is together for your planner and your journal. Girls, there you have it, the November Planner and Journal subscription box. You're gonna love the tip-ins and the stickers. You can get in on this box by the 10th of October. Thanks, girls.